हरिततरूणां ललितलतानां माला रमणीया कुसुमावली समीरचालिता स्यान्मे वरणीया नवमालिका रसालं मिलिता रुचिरं संगमनं शुचिपर्यावरणं पदच्छेदः हरिततरूणां हरिततरु उकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्दः अत्र षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचनरूपं दिस इज अ कॉम्पाउंड वर्ड समस्तं पदं हरिताः तरवः हरिततरवः इति कर्मधारया समासः तेषाम् इति षष्ठी बहुवचनरूपं ललित लतानां ललित लता इति आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्दरूप षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन ललिताः लताः ये ललित लताः कर्मधारय समासः तासाम् इति अत्र सप्तम षष्ठ्यन्ते माला माला इति आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनरूपं रमणीया रमणीया इति आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनरूपं कुसुमावलिः कुसुमावली इति इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनरूपं कुसुमानाम् आवलिः इति षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः. Let me just make it a little small so that the screen looks good. Okay, now समीर चालिता इति आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन रूपम् then this word समीर चालिता is also a samastam padam समीरेण चालिता समीर चालिता इति तृतीया तत्पुरुष समासः स्यात् अस् धातुः परस्मैपदी कर्तरि प्रयोगे विधिलिंग लकार प्रथम पुरुषे एकवचन रूपं मे अस्मद् दकारान्त सर्वनाम शब्द अत्र पुल्लिंग शब्द इति स्वीकर्तुं शक्यते. We can just take it as pullinga here because the I here refers to the subject who is the kavihi pullinga. Then Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. May is an optional word for mama in Shashti Vibhakti. Varaniya Akaranta Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Navamalika Navamalika iti Akaranta Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Rasalam Ala iti Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Milita आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन रूपं रुचिरम रुचिर इति अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग शब्द प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन रूपं दिस वर्ड रुचिरम इज अ विशेषणम फॉर द वर्ड संगमनम संगमन इज अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग शब्द एकवचन रूपं प्रथमा विभक्ति दिस वर्ड इज अ विशेष्यम सो विशेषण विशेष्यम हियर रुचिरम संगमनम. Now we'll look into the meanings. It will be more clear for you all. The word Sangamanam is formed with some upasarga, gamdhatu, lyut pratyaya. Now Harita Taru means Haritanam Vrikshanam, of the green trees. Lalita Lata means Sundarinam Latanam, of beautiful creepers. Mala Kusumavalihi, the beautiful row or the arranged flower is the meaning here. Oh, Kusumavali, again it is coming the word. Mala is simple, it means the arranged flower. Ramaniya means Anandadaika, that which gives happiness to the mind. Kusumavali means Pushpanam Panktihi, the rows or the arrangement of the flowers. Samira Chalita, Vayuna Kampita, that is shaken by the breeze or air. Syat, Syat means Bhaved. May, I have already explained, May means mama, mine. Varaniya Varanam kartum yogya, that is good to be married or wedded. Vasanti pushpam is the meaning for the word of Navamalika. That is a type of flower. Rasalam means amram, mango, fruit. Milita means that is along with. Rasalam milita means that is along with the mango fruits. Ruchira means Anandadayakam. We just looked into the word Ruchiram here. Yeah, which is in Napumsakalinga Rupam. It is an adjective. So it can be of any Rupam, any Lingam. So it should have the same Lingam, Vachanam, Vibhakti of the noun with which it comes. So the noun with which it comes is Sangamanam. So this is also in Napumsakalingam. So Anandadayakam, that gives happiness in mind. Sangamanam means Melanam. Now Anandadayakam Melanam, happy meeting is the meaning for Ruchiram Sangamanam. Now we'll quickly look into the Anvayam and the Bhavartha. Anvayaha Haritatarunam Lalitalatanam Mala Ramaniya Syat Rasalam Milita Navamalika Samira Chalita Kusumavalihi Me Varaniya Syat Etadrisham Ruchiram Sangamanam Syat. Now the words given in the brackets are all to be understood to make the sentence complete. Bhavartha Vane harita vrikshaha syuhu. In the forest may there be greenery or green trees. Tesha mala iva avalihi syat. May there be the picture of the green trees. Let that look like mala or rose. Yasyaha malayaha darshanena atyantam anandaha bhavit. How should that rows of the tree be? It should be such that the minds become happy just by looking at them. Tathaiva uttamanam latanam api mala syat. And in the same way, let there be the rows of creepers as well, which are there. Vrikshanam upari latanam darshanam ananda pradayakam bhavet. Let the sight of such creepers which are over the trees also be beautiful. Tatra आम्रवृक्षेषु फलानां दर्शनेन सह पुष्पाणां दर्शनम् अत्यन्तम् आनन्दप्रदायकं स्यात्. More than the beauty of the mangoes, the beauty of the flowers give happiness to the mind. Taha samira chalitaha kusumavalayaha maya varanam kartum yogyaha syuhu. The beautiful flowers that are moved or shaken by the breeze are so good that I would like to be always wedded with them. Etadrisham manoharam sangamanam vane syat. Such a beautiful meeting is possible in the forest, away from the sounds and the busy city life. Ataha kavihi swachham vatavaranam prati gantum ichhati. That is why the poet is continuously asking for us to make a clear, pure environment. Now over to the next shloka. Ai chalabandho khagakula kalarava gunjita vanadesham पुरकलरव सम्भ्रमितजनेभ्यो धृतसुखसन्देशं चाकचिक्यजालं नो कुर्यात् जीवितरसहरणं शुचिपर्यावरणं. Padachedः ai is an avyaya padam used to call or address someone. Here it is something like bhoho, hey, we use, no? So the same way ai. Sambodhanarthaka avyayam. Chala, chala dhatu parasmaipadi कर्तरी लोट लकार मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन रूपम. बंधो संबोधन प्रथम उकारांत पुल्लिंग बंधु इति शब्दस्य संबोधन प्रथम एकवचन रूप अस्ति अत्र. Here I बंधो is together. O brother or bandhu means relative. So here we understand it as oh the brother, the brotherhood. Khagakula kalarava gunjita vanadesham. This word Khagakula kalarava gunjita vanadesha akaranta pullinga shabda dvitiya vibhakti ekvachana rupam. Deshaha is pullinga. It is a samastam padam. So vigraha Khaganam kulam khagakulam. The group of birds is khagakulam. Shashti tatpurush samasah. Khagakulanam kalaravaha khagakula kalaravaha. The kalaravaha means the chirping, the sound of the groups of birds. Khagakula kalaravaha. This is again another Shashti tatpurush samasa. Khagakula kalaravena gunjitaha. Gunjitaha means sound or resounded. Khagakula kalaravena, the sound made by the birds groups. So here Khagakula kalarava gunjitaha iti tritiya tatpurusha samasaha. Finally, vananam pradeshaha vanapradeshaha shashti tatpurusha samasaha, including that word again. Khagakula kalarava gunjitaha vanapradeshaha, the forest area which has the sound of the group of birds. Khagakula kalarava gunjita vanadeshaha iti karmadharaya samasaha tam iti dvitiya vibhakti arthe. Now, Pura kalarava sambhramita janebhyaha. Again, it is a samastam padam. Total word pura kalarava sambhramita janebhyaha is chaturthi vibhakti. So the pratipadikam, the root word is pura kalarava sambhramita jana akaranta pullinga shabdaha. Purasya kalaravaha. Pura kalaravaha. Pura means nagara. The sound of the nagara is pura kalaravaha. Shashti tatpurusha. Sambhramitaha janaha. Sambhramita janaha. Karmadharaya samasaha. Pura kalaravena sambhramita janaha. Pura kalarava sambhramita janaha iti Tritiya tatpurusha samasaha tebhyaha iti chaturthi vibhakti. Dhrita sukha sandesham. Dhrita sukha sandesha akaranta pullinga dvitiya vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Sukhasya sandeshaha sukha sandeshaha iti shashti tatpurusha samasaha. Dhritaha sukha sandeshaha yena saha dhrita sukha sandeshaha bahuvrihi samasaha. Chaka chikya jalam. This word is probably due to the Hindi influence of the kavi. Chakachon we say in Hindi, which means bright and very ashavan, that makes our eyes blur off. So such light is meant by this word chakachikya jalam. अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग शब्द प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन रूपम चाकचिक्यस्य जालम षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः नो is naha naha means अस्मत् शब्द दकारांत सर्वनाम शब्द षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन रूपम कुर्यात् कृ धातु उभयलिंग उभयपदी both it is used in parasmayapadi and atmanepadi कर्तरी विधिलिंग लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन रूपम जीवित रसहरणम जीवित रसहरण इति अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग शब्द द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचन रूपम हियर रसस्य हरणम रसहरणम षष्ठी हियर जीवितानां रसहरणम जीवित रसहरणम again षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः. Now the meaning I means bhoho bandho he bhratah oh brother. It should be bahuvachanam here because he is addressing all of us. So the readers are addressed. So oh brothers must be the right usage here. Chala means walk. Chaladu. Khagakula kalarava gunjita vanadesham means pakshinam dhvanina gunjayamanaha vanapradeshaha. The forest area which is filled up or which resonates the sounds of the birds. Then Pura Kalarava Sambhramita Janebhyaha. This word along with the next word makes a Visarga Sandhi. Visarga is here Okara, Utva Visarga Sandhi happens. Pura Kalarava Sambhramita Janebhyo Dhrita Sukha Sandesham. Then Pura Vasinam Dhvanina Sambhrantebhya Janebhya. So it is for the people who stay in the cities. Puravasinam Dhvanina Sambhrantebhya Janebhya. Those people who live in the Mahanagara, in great cities, they are totally hurt with the sounds in the city, the continuous running of the vehicles and machines, etc. So for such people, this place is a wonderful place to be always in. May you not be taken away by or be deafened by the sounds of the city is what he says. Okay, now Pura Kalarava Sambhramita Janebhya means the people who are affected by the sounds of the Nagara city. Dhrita Sukha Sandesham means the ones who have the happy message. Who is that? The Vana Pradesha, the forest area, is the one which holds the happy message, or that makes everyone happy is the forest or the pure nature. Chakachikya jalam prakashamanam jalam. The net or the cover, that which covers the eye, which is very bright. No is naha asmakam kuryat, may it do. My mistake. Here no is not naha asmat shabda. It is not naha asmat shabda. It is na iti nishedharthaka. No here actually means no, which tries to say here, don't get into the jivita rasaharanam means jivane vidyamanasya rasasya apaharanam. Don't be taken away by the lights in the nagaram. Jivane vidyamanasya rasasya apaharanam. Don't get yourself away from the rasa of the life, the essence of the life. So no here is not as much of the, my mistake, I repeat, it is no iti nishedarthaka avyayam. Anvaya and bhavartha of this shloka. Anvaya first. Ai bandho khagakula kalarava gunjita vanadesham chala पुरकलरव संभ्रमित जनेभ्यः धृत सुख संदेशम तादृशं वनप्रदेशं चल चाकचिक्य जालं जीवित रसहरणं नो कुर्यात् भावार्थः हे बान्धवाः यत्र पक्षिकुल समूहानां कलरवेण गुञ्जायमानः वनदेशः तत्र bhavantah chalantu. O brothers, wherever there is sounds of birds ever heard, such forest areas, such natural and beautiful place is where you have to go to. Yaha vana pradeshaha nagarasya kalaravena sambramita janebhyah sukha sandesham dharayati. So that vana pradesha, that forest makes or that holds the message of happiness in them for the ones who are taken away by the sounds of the Nagaram city. Sambhranta janebhyah, for the people who are taken away by the sounds in the city. Etat chakachikya jalam jivana rasasya apaharanam na kuryat. May it not take away the happiness or the essence of the life itself. Let this prakasha of the nagaram not take away the happiness in the life. Tasmat prak, before that, swachham vatavaranam prati bhavantah gachantu. Go towards the clean environment before you get into all of these problems in life with which you will lose the essence of the life. Arthat, swachhasya vatavaranasya nirmanam kuruvantu iti kavi vadati. So the kavi is here telling us repeatedly after every stanza to get into a place where the environment is beautiful, the environment is natural. So we have to make our environment beautiful and natural. Okay, now I will quickly correct this. It's not asmakam, it's not asmat shabdarupa. It is the nishedharthaka, nishedharthakam avyayam. Okay, which means no. Okay, now we'll look into the last shloka. प्रस्तरतले लतातरुगुल्मा नो भवन्तु पिष्टाः पाषाणी सभ्यता निसर्गे स्यान्न समाविष्टा मानवाय जीवनं कामये नो जीवन मरणं शुचि पर्यावरणं पदच्छेदः प्रस्तरतले. प्रस्तरतल is akaranta pullinga shabda. Here it is saptami vibhakti ekavachana rupa. प्रस्तरस्य तलः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः. लतातरुगुल्माः, लतातरुगुल्मा इति समस्तं पदम्. It is akaranta pullinga prathama vibhakti bahuvachana rupam here. लताः च तरवः च गुल्माः च लतातरुगुल्माः द्वन्द्व समासः. No means nishedhartakam avyayam, just as in previous shloka. Bhavantu, bhudhatu, kartari, lat lakara rupa, vartamana kala, prathama purusha, ekavachana rupa. It is parasmaipadi dhatu, bhudhatu. Pishtaha, pishta, iti akaranta, pullinga shabda, prathama vibhakti, bahuvachana rupa. This Pishtaha word actually indicates the Lata Tarugulmaha. So Pishtaha Lata Tarugulmaha no bhavantu. Pishtaha means Nashtaha, that which is pressed and which is destroyed. Pishtaha. Okay, Pashani is ikaranta strilinga prathama vibhakti rupam, ekavachani rupam here. Sabhyata means civilization. Sabhyata ikaranta strilinga prathama vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Nisarge, nisarga akaranta pullinga saptami vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Syat is as dhatu parasmaipadi. Kartari vidhiling lakara prathama purusha ekavachana rupam. Now in the shloka we see Syana. So Syat and Na together is Syana, which is Anurasika Sandhi. Next we see Nakara Na there again, which is Nishedharthakam Avyayam. Then Samavishtaha, Samavishta Akaranta Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Manavaya, for the human beings. Manava akaranta pullinga chaturthi vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Jivanam, jivana akaranta napumsakalinga dvitiya vibhakti ekavachana rupam. Kamaye, kamadhatu atmanepadi dhatu. Kartari lat lakara rupa. Uttama purusha ekavachana rupa. No is again nishedhartaka avyayam. Jivat maranam is Jivan Maranam. Here we again have Anunasika Sandhi, Jivat Yoga Maranam, Jivan Maranam. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdaha, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Jivate Maranam, Jivan Maranam. Always when there is Samasa, Sandhi is compulsory while joining two or more words. So here samasa is there, chaturthi tatpurusha samasa, jivate maranam, jivan maranam. Now we'll look into the meanings. Prastaratale means pashanasya adhaha pradeshe, underneath the rocks or the buildings, especially here. It means the buildings or the rocky constructions. Underneath them, lataha, vrikshaha, laghu padapaha cha. So, trees and bushes or small trees, these all get destroyed or they become nothing at all. They just get totally pressed underneath. Pashani Sabhyata here, the civilization of rocks means the building. We build the buildings and these destroy the greenery and the plant life. Nisarge means in the Prakriti. Syat again means may it be. Na means no. Samavishta means pravishta entered. Manavaya means manavartham or manushyartham for the human beings. Jivanam here. Prananam rakshanam here. Jivanam means the life. Pranasya rakshanam atra kamaye. Kamaye means wish. So here the Kavi wishes for the life to be preserved or protected. Jivat maranam na, and not the death of the living. Jivate janaya maranam na. Now we look into the Anvaya Krama. and the bhavartha. Anvayaha. Latataru gulmaha prastartale pishtaha na bhavantu. पाषाणी सभ्यता निसर्गे समाविष्टा न स्यात्. मानवाय जीवनं कामये जीवन मरणं न कामये. भावार्थः शिलाखण्डानाम् अधः लताः वृक्षाः लघुपादपाः च पिष्टाः न भवेयुः. Let the trees, creepers and small plants not be pressed or destroyed or killed underneath the rocky surface of the buildings. Bhavananam nirmana karyam vanapradesh syat is what is mentioned here by the Kavi with this line. So he says, let us not build the houses or the buildings in forest area. यतः वनानि विना मानवस्य जीवनमेव कठिनं भवति. Because if we construct buildings in the forest area, without forest, life of the human beings itself becomes tough. कविः जीवितानां जनानां मरणं न इच्छति इति हेतोः स्वच्छस्य वातावरणस्य निर्माणं कर्तुं जनान् प्रेरयति. So, since the poet is not doesn't like the death of those who are alive on this earth, in the sense he does not want to end the life in this world, so he is calling out and he is telling the people in this world to stop hurting the nature and make the nature around you clean and also make it green. Okay, with this, the lesson is over. Now we'll look into the solutions of the lesson exercises. Here the first question is, Atra Jeevitam Kidrisham Jatam. Atra means here, Jeevitam, life, Kidrisham, what kind of Jatam happened or become. Or how has the life become? Here is the question. The answer is Durvaham Jatam. So the answer should be in one word, so it is Durvaham. So Kidrisham Durvaham. Anisham Mahanagara Madhye Kim Prachalati. Anisham means aharnisham, day and night without any stop. Mahanagara Madhye, in the big cities. Kim Prachalati, what goes on or runs. It is Kalayasa Chakram. Kutsita vastu mishritam kimasti. Kutsita means bad, vastu products, mishritam mixed. What is adulterated is the question. The food is adulterated. Sorry. Kasmai jivanam kamaye. Here aham means the kavihi. Kasmai, for whom does the poet wish a life? He wishes life for Manavaha. Manavaya should be the answer, because the question is Kasmai Chaturthi Vibhakti, so the same Vibhakti should be for the answer as well. Kesham Mala Ramaniya. Kesham Shashti Bahuvachanam. Whose Mala, whose row or arranged Shreni is beautiful. Lata, Lalita Latanam is the answer. Lalita Latanam. Now the next page, second section. Likhitanam prashnanam uttarani samskrita bhashaya likhata. Anam written below, those questions which are written below, prashnanam, for those questions, uttarani, answers, likhata, write. How should that be? Samskrita bhashaya, using Sanskrit language. Kavihi kimartham prakrutehe sharanam ichhati. Why does the poet wish for surrendering to the nature or take refuge in the nature? Answer will be Kavihi Su Jivanartham or Su Jivanaya Prakrutehe Ichhati. Whenever there is a swara varna next to anuswara, it should be written ma and halanta. And whenever there is vyanjana aksharam next to anuswara, it will remain anuswara. Kasmat karanat mahanagareshu samsaranam kathinam vartate. Kasmat karanat, because of what reason? Mahanagareshu, in the cities, in the big cities, samsaranam, moving around, kathinam, hard, vartate, is what is the reason for not able to move around well in the big cities? The answer is Yananam Anantaha Panktayah. Yananam Anantaha Panktayah Nagareshu Vartante. Atah Tatra Samsaranam Kathinam Vartate. अस्माकं पर्यावरणं किं दूषितम् अस्ति. Sorry, पर्यावरणे. अस्माकं षष्ठी विभक्ति of ours. पर्यावरणे सप्तमी विभक्ति. In the environment. Kim dushitam asti. What all are polluted? So the answer will be अस्माकं पर्यावरणे वायुमंडलम जलम तलम च दूषितम अस्ति. All of these are polluted. Next one. Kavihi kutra sancharanam kartum ichhati. Where does the poet wish to go around or he would like to get lost into the forest, at least for a moment, he says. So where does he wish to go? It is the forest. So he wishes to be alone as well. So Kavihi ekante kanane or kantare, as it is given in the textbook, kantare sancharanam kartum next. Swastha jivanaya kidrishe vatavarane brahmaniyam. Swastha jivanaya, for healthy life. Kidrishe vatavarane, in what kind of environment? Saptami Bhakti. Brahmaniyam, should we be always going around? So what kind of environment should we be around? Should it be around us for healthy life? The answer is Khagakula Kalarava Gunjita Kusumavali Samira Chalita Vatavarana. These are the environment Kavi here says to have a healthy life. Swastha Jivanaya Khagakula Kalarava Gunjita Kusumavali, Samira Chalite, Maniyam. Kusumavali Samira Chalite means the rows of the flowers which are moved or shaken by the breeze. Such a beautiful place is where we will have good health. अंतिमे पद्यांशे कवेः का कामना अस्ति, कामना wish इच्छा. In the last padyamshah or the last section or stanza, what does the poet wish? Antime अंशे कवेः कामना यत् मानवेभ्यः शान्तिप्रिय जीवनं भवेत्. मानवः जीवन मरणं न प्राप्नुयात्. So this will be the answer for the last question here. Let me clear this section. Okay. Now the next is Sandhi Vicheda or Sandhi Karanam. See, for term 1 exam, you have specific portion. These Sandhi may not be included in that syllabus, but you may expect these questions as well because this is included for your exam syllabus, this lesson. So this you may get it for your exam even if it is not included in the syllabus. Now, Prakritihi plus dash is Prakriti Reva. See, this is Rutva Visarga Sandhi, which is not there for your term 1 portions in 2021 exam, but still you should learn this. Prakriti Yoga Eva becomes Prakriti Reva. Syat Na and the first two words are joined by Anunasika Sandhi. And here you have Prathama Varnasya Panchama Varne Parivartanam, which is the way explained in the syllabus. Here you have Vriddhi Sandhi happening. Hyanantaha, Hi, Yoga Anantaha. Here you have Ikara in the Purva Varna and Akara in the Paravarna. Ikara Akaryo Yana Sandhi is happening here. Bahihi Antaha Jagati. You have Visarga Sandhi. Bahirantar Jagati is the answer. Nagara Asman Nagarat. Mat and Nagarat. Sam Yoga Charanam. Here you have Sun. Then Dhumam Munchati. Here the Anuswara will be put Dhumam Munchati. Because there is Vyanjana Akshara after this Anuswara Akshara or Makara Hananta here. Okay, now we need to look into the next section, which is Avyayani. As you all know, Avyayam is a word which has its own meaning, and the word does not change its rupam wherever it is placed, in whichever kind of sentence it is placed, whether the sentence is having pullingam, strilingam, napumsakalingam, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, vibhakti, nothing matters. Okay, so these words remain the same. Now, let us look into the meaning of these words before we enter the answers. Brisham means too much, a lot. Yatra means wherever. Tatra means there. Atra means here. Api means also. Eva is only. Sada is always. Bahi is outside. Idanim Vayumandalam Pradushitam Asti. The space or the atmosphere is very much polluted. So the answer is Brisham. Note, you have to put Anuswara because the next word begins with Vyanjana Akshara there. Dash Jivanam Durvaham Asti. The Jivanam Durvaham Asti. The life here is प्राकृतिक वातावरणे क्षणं संचरणं डैश लाभदायकं भवति. सदा लाभदायकं भवति will also suit here, or in the it may also have api. Sada will suit in this question, so we put पर्यावरणस्य संरक्षणं डैश प्रकृतेः आराधना. I didn't explain this one. प्राकृतिक वातावरणे क्षणं संचरणं, walking around a moment in natural environment gives profit. We get we gain something out of it. Here api means also, we also gain something out of it is the meaning here. Paryavaranasya samrakshanam dash prakrutehe aradhana. Prakrutehe aradhana, worshipping the nature. Paryavaranasya samrakshanam, the protection of the environment. So the protection of the environment is the worship of the environment. So the answer is eva. Next, dash samayasya sadupayogah karaniyaha. Always the time should be used properly. Sada. Bhukampita samaye dash gamanameva uchitam bhavati. Bhukampita samaye, when there is a bhukampaha. Bhukampaha means the earthquake. So whenever there is an earthquake, going out is uchitam, means apt or the right thing to do. Dash haritima, haritima means greenery, dash shuchi paryavaranam, clean environment. Yatra haritima, tatra shuchi paryavaranam. Wherever there is greenery, there we see clean environment. Okay. Now we'll go into the next section. Adholikhitanam padanam paryaya padam likhata. Paryaya padam means synonyms. So salilam means jalam, neeram. Jalam is one word, neeram is another word. Apaha, we have many words. Okay, you just need to write one answer. Amram. In the lesson, rasalam is the word given for amram, mango. Now I'll take you to the next page. Next is vanam. Vanam means forest. So kananam, here we have in the lesson kantaram. Kananam is another word. Shariram. While I taught the lesson, I made a mistake. I said shariraha. I'm sorry. It is napumsakalinga shabda, na shariram. So shariram means tanuhu, the body. Kutilam means crooked or curved. The word used in this lesson is vakram. Pashanaha means rock. Astaraha is the word used in this lesson for this word, Pashanaha. Now, Adholikhita Padanam Viloma Padani. Viloma Padani means antonyms, opposites. Sukaram, Dushkaram, Dushitam, Nirmalam. Dushitam means polluted, Nirmalam means without any dirt, so pure. Shuddham can also be an answer. Then Grihananti, it's a typo, it's Grinnanti, Hakara should be half. Grinnanti, it is E there which shows continuous tense, but you have Munchati which is not continuous tense, it is Lat Lakara Rupa. Grinnanti means to hold, Munchati is to free out. So Munchati. In the lesson you have the word Munchati. Next, Nirmalam, again the same thing repeated here. Nirmalam, you can use the word Ashuddham, or you can use the word Dushitam. Then Danavaya. Danava means demons, so opposite of demon, human beings. Manavaya. Chaturthi Vibhakti, the same Vibhakti should be used here as well. Sa antaha, those which have endings is sa antaha. Those which do not have endings, anantaha. Okay, the next section now. Udaharanam anusritya pathat chitva cha samasta padani samasa nama cha likhata. This is important. As I already mentioned, there may be certain samasa which are not included for your exam, but still you can expect it for your term 1 exam. Malena sahitam, along with dirt. It is samalam, avyayi bhava samasaha. Haritaha cha ye taravaha tesham. So haritaha cha ye taravaha. This is the samasta padam, and the one which is given in the bracket shows the vibhakti of that compound word. Okay, haritaha cha ye taravaha, bahuvachanam it is there. So harita taravaha is the compound word. But then tesham iti shashti vibhakti bahuvachanantam. So it will be tarunam. Next, lalitaha cha yaha lataha. Lalitaha cha yaha lataha bahuvachana rupam. So lalita lataha. Now in bracket tasam, again shashti vibhakti. So lalita latanam will be the answer. Next, nava malika. Nava malika is karmadhare samasa. Nava malika. Navachaya malika, nava malika. Dhritaha sukha sandeshaha yena. Now here you have bahuvrihi samasaha, dhrita sukha sandeshaha. Okay, dhrita sukha sandeshaha. Now in brackets, tam is given. So dvitiya vibhakti should be used. Sandesham. Okay, kajjalam iva malinam. Dirty as the kajal. So kajal is not dirty. Here it is only the black color which is compared. Okay, so kajjalam iva malinam, karmadhare samasa. So it is कज्जलमलिनम् दुर्दान्तैः दशनैः single word durdanta here the first one is karmadharaya. The second here is again karmadharaya. Third one is bahuvrihi. The fourth here is karmadharaya again. Oh, my mistake. This is karmadharaya, right? This is karmadharaya, right? Navamalika is also karmadharaya. Navamalika is karmadharaya. And Dhrita Sukha Sandesham is bahuvrihi. Then we have Kajjalamalinam, which is again karmadharaya. And the last is again karmadharaya. रेखांकित पदमाधृत्य प्रश्न निर्माणं कुरुत. Now the first one. शकटीयानं कज्जलमलिनं धूमं मुञ्चति. Shakatiyanam, carriage or the vehicle which pulls something. Shakatiyanam dhumam munchati, leaves out the dark dust. What kind of dust is the question? So here, what kind of is kidrik shabdaha. Here, kidrisham dhumam. Dhuma shabda is pullinga shabda. So here it is in karma, so dvitiya vibhakti rupam. So shakatiyanam kidrisham dhumam munchati. Remember to put a question mark at the end of the questions. Udyane pakshinam kalaravam chetaha prasadayati. Udyane means in the garden. Pakshinam kalaravaha, the sounds of pakshi. So here it is not Karakam, Shashti Vibhakti is for Sambandha. So you will have Kesham, Kalaravam, Chetaha, Prasadayati. Again, question mark. Next one, Pashani Sabhyatayam Lata Tarugulmaha Prastaratale Pishtaha Santi. Pashani Sabhyatayam, in the rocks or building civilization, the civilization wherein we build up things, more buildings. So in such a civilization, Latataru Gulmaha Pishtaha Santi, the creepers, the trees and the small trees are all destroyed. Where are they destroyed? Prastaratale. They are destroyed underneath the cement or underneath the rocks here. So this is the subject in the sentence. So it should be in Prathama Vibhakti and it is Bahuvachana Rupam Gulmaha. So Pullinga Bahuvachana Rupam should be the answer. Pashani Sabhyatayam E Prastaratale it will be the question. Next one. Mahanagareshu Vahananam Anantaha Panktayah Dhavanti. Dhavanti means to run. Where do the vehicles run in never-ending rows? In the big cities. So Saptami Vibhakti there. Karakam. So Mahanagareshu, Saptami Vibhakti should be used. Mahanagaram is Napumsakalingam. So Napumsakalinga, Kim Shabda, Saptami Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam. Keshu will be the word. To Vahananam Taha Panktayah Avanti. Question mark. Prakrityaha sannidhau vastavikam sukham vidyate. Now Prakriti Shabda is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Prakrityaha of the nature. Sannidhau in the presence of the nature. Vastavikam sukham vartade. The real happiness is there. So the real happiness is when there is nature present. So kasyaha is the question proper. Kasyaha sannidhau vastavikam sukham vidyate. Sorry, question mark. Now that we have completed the lesson and the solutions of the lesson exercises with the discussion, I hope you have all understood well, prepare well for your exam. And this is a beautiful poem. If you can learn it by heart, wonderful. This lesson also has the samasa explained that will be done in separate video where the grammar portions are taught. Namaste.